It started. Sorry.
Retro.
Yo, my name is Jason and I'm here today to invite you to our Winter Festival free art sale and tell you to bring a friend. Hey, what rhymes with free yard sale? Hey man, what rhymes with free yard sale?
I don't know. Did you tell him about the festival?
Yeah, I told him about the festival and the free yard sale.
Did you tell him when?
Saturday,
What time?
10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Where? Sharon Baptist Concord.com. Sharon Baptist Church in Concord, North Carolina.
Awesome, man. It's gonna be cool. They're gonna give away free stuff.
Free stuff!
Free stuff!
Awesome! Well, I'm gonna be there.
I'm gonna be there too.
See you Saturday, 10 to 2 at Sharon Baptist Church. You can find out more information on SharonBaptistConcord.com.